Yes, boys. Today we was liquidity, so we lost $3,000, £3,000, Great British pounds. Sorry. Yeah, we took a signal just past 2 o'clock UK time, and yeah, so it was a pretty textbook setup. To be fair, not a lot really I could have done differently. Yeah, we marked out a high and low of the hourly candle, which is also a closure of the 4-hour candle as well at 2 o'clock. And yeah, so basically saw we closed like pretty bearish. We already took out a lot of lows prior to it. Yeah, so obviously marking out a key level, and the only thing I could find was this 10-minute order block. It probably wasn't the best, to be fair. Maybe it's that because sometimes you find certain levels are going to hold well, and be good little bits of support, but other levels they'll just go right through. And then obviously if you see the lows there, it's pretty just a clear draw on liquidity there. To be fair, my bias was pretty bullish for today. For the week I was very bearish, and we ended up going through all my targets for the week, my sell targets. But for this time frame I was just looking at a buy setup. So I marked out a 10-minute order block, and that was going to be my key level. And then I was looking for a trade pretty much straight away as soon as we came into that. Looking for a sweep of the hourly lows, the 4-hour lows, and then just a push up into some take profits that I sent into the group. But unfortunately, we got a little rejection from the level, so I took my entry. My stop loss was 2845, entry was about 2847. And then my target was obviously the hourly high at 2862. And I think we just ended up getting in a bit too early. And don't forget, timing is everything in the markets. Because you can sell gold. We could have bought gold at this price at 2847, and then at that time, and we lose the trade. However, give it an hour later, we could have also bought gold for 2847 and made a lot of money. So here's what it is: timing is everything. As long as we keep our losses small and our wins big, we're going to be good. And that's what my system's about. So yeah, unfortunate to take a loss today, but we know we've got a track record of hundreds and hundreds of trades. In the long run, we are very much profitable because we have a very good risk to reward ratio there as well. I think it was about a 1-to-8 risk to reward we would have targeted. It's not too bad. And yeah, just going through all the time frames. So we literally swapped all the other lower time frames as well, which I liked. The 15-minute, 30-minute, 5-minute, all sort of lined up nicely. I think the only issue was on the higher time frame. There was just such a big draw on liquidity down below that we ended up taking up straight away. Preferably we should have waited for the liquidity to get taken up first. And yeah, just trying to be really honest about wins and losses on the channel, because most people only show their wins and they don't show their losses. So we're just going to be really transparent and show all the wins, all the losses, all the break-even trades. And if you're not inside the group already, the link will be in the description, and you can join for free for 7 days. So yeah, I appreciate all you boys taking the subs with me, and we'll be back on the next one.